Very good morning, students. See, today we are going to start a new unit, and that is our word. In this unit, the first chapter is Nobel Peace Prize winners. Nobel Peace Prize winners means the Nobel Prize who received for the peace at international level. So, the Nobel Peace Prize is one of the 6 Nobel Prizes created by Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel is the name of the scientist who created Nobel Prize और उन्हीं के नाम से ये नोबेल प्राइज है. वन ऑफ द 6 नोबेल प्राइजेस, 6 नोबेल प्राइज में से एक नोबेल प्राइज है पीस, नोबेल पीस प्राइज. इट इज़ गिवन फॉर द इंटरनेशनल पीस. So you have to learn about this prize in this chapter. It has been awarded annually since March 1901. 1901 से ये जो है हर साल दिया जाता है एनुअली. And it is usually given to those who have done exemplary work for promoting peace in the world. दुनिया में शांति स्थापित करने के लिए जिन्होंने कुछ विशेष खास कार्य किए हैं उनको ये प्राइज दिया जाता है. ठीक है. Fill in the blanks with the names of the Nobel Peace Prize winners. Use help box. You can use the help box. The first question is, in 1901, Das from Switzerland was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his role in the founding of the International Committee of the Red Cross. So he is the founder of the Nobel International Committee of the Red Cross, and he was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1901, and his name was Henry Dunant. Henry Dunant, the first person who got the Nobel Peace Prize. The second question is, in 1905 was the first woman to be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. She was also the second female Nobel laureate. Nobel laureate means जिसको Nobel Prize मिला है, सेकेंड वुमेन थी. 1905 में इनको Nobel Prize मिला है पीस के लिए, और इनका नाम है Bertha von Suttner. This is Bertha von Suttner. And the third, in 1922, from Norway, was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his work in helping millions of famine-stricken Russians and refugees in Asia Minor and Thrace. In 1922, 1922 में किसको मिला है? He was Fridtjof Nansen. Fridtjof Nansen. So this is the answer of the third question. In 1975, from the Soviet Union received Nobel Peace Prize for his struggle for human rights, disarmament and cooperation among nations. Though he played a key role in the development of hydrogen bomb, he was against the spread of nuclear weapons. Against the spread of nuclear weapons, मतलब nuclear weapon के against था. So he was awarded Peace Prize in 1975, and his name was Andrei Sakharov. Andrei Sakharov. See, this is the spelling, Andrei Sakharov. The fifth, 1979, the founder of the Missionaries of Charity from India received the Nobel Peace Prize for her struggle against poverty and distress in India. So this is a well-known name, and she was uh, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. So the answer of this question is Mother Teresa. And in 2014, two persons got together the Nobel Peace Prize, were jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for their struggle against suppression of children and young people and the work undertaken by them towards child education. Child education के लिए इनको Nobel Peace Prize मिला है. Though she was Malala Yousafzai and Kailash Satyarthi. 2. In 2016, President of Colombia received the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to bring the 50-year-old civil war in his country to an end. कोलंबिया में सिविल वॉर को 50 साल से चला रहा सिविल वॉर, उसको खत्म करने के लिए नोबेल पीस प्राइज मिला 2016 में, और इनका नाम है जैन मैनुअल सेंटोस. The last question is, in 2017 was awarded Nobel Peace Prize for drawing attention to the disastrous humanitarian consequences of nuclear weapons and for the efforts in achieving a treaty-based prohibition of such weapons. And he was international campaign to abolish nuclear weapons. Basically, this is an institution, international campaign to abolish nuclear weapons, and this institution was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2017 for drawing attention to the disastrous humanitarian consequences of nuclear weapons and for the efforts in achieving a treaty-based prohibition of such weapons, है ना. तो weapons के विरोध में इनको जो है और वेपन का डिस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए this institution was awarded Nobel Peace Prize. So this was GK lesson for today. Thank you and goodbye for now.